Ladies, if you think strength training will turn you into a bodybuilder overnight, or that it's not for you, well, it's time to bust those myths wide open. Let's get real about why strength training should be a staple in every woman's fitness routine. Myth number 1. Strength training will make me bulky. Let's set the record straight. Most women don't have enough testosterone to build bulky muscles like men. The reality is, strength training helps women develop lean, toned muscle, not bulk. So if you're imagining getting too big, relax. You'll actually get smaller in some areas as you build strength and burn fat. Think about the women you see in fitness magazines or on Instagram. Strong, defined, but not bulky. That's the magic of strength training. Myth number 2. I need hours in the gym for results. This is another misconception that holds a lot of women back. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. Strength training can be done in as little as 30 minutes a few times a week. Short, effective workouts are key. Focus on full body movements, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can build strength and tone. You can get a full body workout in just 30 minutes with exercises like squats, push-ups, and deadlifts, and you'll start seeing results faster than you think. Myth number 3. Strength training is only for young women or athletes. Whether you're 25 or 65, strength training is beneficial. In fact, the older we get, the more important it becomes. It helps with bone density, muscle mass, and overall functionality. So, don't think you need to be a competitive athlete to reap the benefits of lifting weights. Studies show that strength training can slow down the aging process, help with joint pain, and improve posture, something we could all benefit from, no matter our age. Key benefits of strength training for women. Now that we've debunked those myths, let's dive into the real reasons why you should be lifting weights. Here are some of the incredible benefits you'll experience once you start strength training. Benefit number 1. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. When you build muscle, you rev up your metabolism. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're just sitting on the couch. So, as you build more muscle through strength training, your body burns more calories throughout the day. In fact, strength training is one of the most efficient ways to boost your metabolism and start seeing fat loss. This isn't just about looking toned. It's about increasing your energy and making your body work more efficiently. Benefit number 2. Strengthens bones and reduces risk of osteoporosis. Women are more susceptible to osteoporosis as they age, but strength training can help prevent it. By lifting weights, you're not just building muscle, you're also increasing bone density. The impact of lifting weights helps stimulate bone growth, keeping your bones strong and resilient. Studies show that women who regularly engage in strength training have significantly stronger bones than those who don't. Strong bones mean fewer fractures and a better quality of life as you get older. Benefit number 3. Enhances mental health and confidence. Strength training isn't just about physical results. It has a huge impact on your mental health too. Regular exercise, especially strength training, has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Plus, when you see your body becoming stronger, your confidence gets a huge boost. There's nothing quite like the feeling of hitting a personal best on your deadlift or squats. You'll start walking taller and feeling stronger. Not just physically, but mentally too. Benefit number 4. Improves daily functionality and mobility. Ever find yourself struggling to carry groceries or pick up your kids? Strength training makes daily tasks easier. It builds muscle strength that improves your overall mobility and functionality. The stronger you get, the easier everyday activities become. Strength training helps improve posture and balance, which means fewer trips, falls, and injuries. It gives you more independence and energy to do the things you love. How to start strength training safely. So now you're sold on the benefits, great. But how do you get started without feeling overwhelmed or risking injury? Don't worry, I've got you covered with these safe and simple tips. Start small and progress. Gradually. When starting out, it's important to ease into strength training. Don't worry about lifting heavy weights at first. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups. As you get stronger, you can add dumbbells or resistance bands. Try starting with 2 full-body sessions per week, focusing on exercises like squats, planks, and glute bridges. Once you feel comfortable, slowly increase the weight or resistance. Focus on proper form over heavy weights. Form is everything when it comes to strength training. It's more important to focus on proper technique than to lift heavy weights right away. Bad form can lead to injuries, and that's the last thing we want. Tip: work with lighter weights or even bodyweight exercises until you're sure you have the right form. If you're unsure, consider hiring a personal trainer to guide you at the start. Consistency over perfection. Strength training isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Aim for 2-3 sessions a week and stick with it. The results will come with time and effort. You don't have to be perfect. Start with what you can manage and build on it every week. Consistency will bring you closer to your goals, step by step. Ladies, it's time to stop thinking of strength training as something reserved for the gym rats. It's for every woman, no matter your age, body type, or fitness level. Whether you want to look and feel better, get stronger, or improve your overall health, strength training is the answer. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start. Just show up, start small, and be consistent. Strength training doesn't just change your body, it transforms your life, and the best part? You can start today. I hope this video has inspired you to start incorporating strength training into your routine. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, motivation, and health advice. Stay strong, and let's crush those fitness goals together. Until next time, keep lifting, keep pushing, and keep being your strongest self. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.